Welcome back to the channel, and today I am going to make a tiramisu recipe. This is an absolutely keto tiramisu. I have done a tiramisu recipe in the very beginning of my keto and intermittent fasting journey. I knew so little and I recommended things like maple syrup, what is non-keto, spikes insulin, and I was like, yeah, this is not really good to recommend this to people when it's not gonna help them to stay in ketosis or kick them out of ketosis. So I decided this video will be like just taken off YouTube, and I am gonna give you a proper tiramisu recipe that is keto friendly and low carb. You can eat it in moderation, of course. Yeah, so this is an updated version. If you are new to this channel, then we do recipes, our keto journey, weight loss tips, exercise, everything about keto and intermittent fasting, and OMAD, what is 1 meal a day lifestyle. So all this on this channel. And if you want to see more of these videos, then hit the red subscribe button and let's get to the video. We are going to make the cream to the tiramisu now, and the proportions are going to be, this is 1 kilogram of mascarpone, this is 9 deciliter of whipped cream, and this is 8 eggs. This is going to be a large tray of tiramisu. This is going to go to a party. I will show you the tray size. I can write the measurements on the screen for you so you know how big is it and how much you're gonna use. And if you just wanna get half of it, then use half a kilo of mascarpone, and this is that much. 2 eggs to each box, so that would be 4 eggs, egg yolks, and then you can use 4.5 deciliter of whipped cream only. And that would make half of this tray, I believe. Okay, good, so let's get started. We will mix up the mascarpone with the egg yolks. Good. Now you add all the egg yolks in it, 8 egg yolks to 1 kilo of mascarpone should be enough. And the egg whites you can give to your dog, it's good for the dog. And some people freaks out from raw egg in the tiramisu, but it's really make it very creamy and nice. And when you do this, buy fresh organic eggs, and you cannot go wrong. I don't think you will have any problem. I am eating raw eggs and I never had any problem with that. To be honest, I'm not so happy with the consistency. This should be a bit looser, so we will add another 4 to 6 egg yolks, and then you will see the difference. I am adding 6 more of the egg yolks. Okay, that's more like it. This is a bit lighter. You see, it's even dropping a bit. That's good. And I will add my sweetener to this. And the sweetener is all comes down how sweet you like it. I'm going to add first 6 tablespoons of monk fruit, and then we see if that's enough. Okay, let's do a taste try. It's good. I think it could have a little bit more sweetener, so let's go with 2 more. It's good. Okay, this is a dumpling here, and now we will wash these ones, and we will do the heavy whipped cream. Okay, so now we need the heavy whipped cream, and I am checking how much is this in ounces on the scale now. Yeah, 29 ounces. Good. Now we will mix this up, but you don't have to get a hard texture. You are going for a loose, little bit fluffy texture. Okay, so this is a done texture, you see? It's not hard, it's like more like a fluffy type of thing. And this is what you want to have, this very creamy tiramisu like feeling. Okay, we need a large bowl at this point because I didn't expect it to be so much, and I need a really big bowl. I have my large bowl now, and you need a spatula. And what you do, you take first the mascarpone and eggs mixture, and you just pour it in here, everything. And you add your whipped cream. I would add half first, and then you nicely mix it together. You are folding, you see, like this with the spatula. You are just nicely folding this together. Okay, and you add a little bit more, maybe half of this one, and then you keep folding it. Then you add the last part of the cream and fold it together. I will add more sweetener because Vince was thinking maybe there is more sweetener needed. So I will add about 3 more tablespoons of monk fruit. Good. Yeah, it's nice we added 3 more. So that's the cream basically. That's what you need to make your tiramisu with. A basic keto tiramisu bread recipe is basically my keto sponge cake recipe. It's here up in the link, and go and check this out how to make it. I'm not gonna make it in this video, just go and look at that one. And this is how it looks, and that's the bread you are going to use to the tiramisu. And then we're gonna cut this up to slices and dip them into coffee, and that will be the basic of the tiramisu. I'm going to use organic decaf for the dipping. You can use normal coffee if you like that better. I will take 2 tablespoons hot water and just mix it up. I will wait a little bit that cools down. It probably will be very hot for my fingers. Okay, so then you take your sponge cake and dip them into coffee. Put them into your tray for now. Okay, so you spread all over the sponge cake dipped in coffee with your fingers. This is how it looks. That's basically the bottom or the bread part of the tiramisu. And now you can add the cream we made in one layer, and I probably need a bigger spoon. Okay, so now we will add the cream. I like it when it's there is a lot of cream. This is how I like it, my family likes it, but it's absolutely your taste how much you add. Okay, good, so that's one layer. And now you can add the second layer sponge cake, and again, to see how to do it, you go to the link here and check it out and make it, and that's what you use for the tiramisu. Okay, now I will cut up the second batch of the basic sponge cake from the video you saw. I mean, this is a bit bigger, you can even cut this half. I'm gonna dip this into coffee, and this time you have to press out the coffee with your fingers and just layer it on the top of the first layer. Now the second layer is done, this is how it looks. And now you take your cream and put another layer on top of this. That will be our final layer because I do not have more cake to use. And I think we are pretty much filling up the tray in anyway. Good, and just you to know, I will put all the ingredients in the description box below so you can purchase everything I use to do this tiramisu. If you make this tiramisu, I don't think anybody can tell that this is a keto tiramisu. They will think this is a totally normal tiramisu, especially if you use monk fruit or xylitol, because this has no weird aftertaste, and people will not realize this is a low carb, high-fat keto tiramisu. And of course, the ice or the cherry on the cake are gonna be the cocoa powder. I'm using a raw organic cocoa powder, no sweetener. And then with this nice gentle motion. Now this is the finished product, and you pop this into the fridge for 6 to 8 hours. I think the best if you do it the night before you want to serve this, so it really gets firm in the fridge and like just stick together. Okay guys, I will put it into the fridge. I hope you like this video guys. If you did, then hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of these awesome, easy to make recipes. And see you in my next video. Bye bye!